Watch Emily try remote work at a cozy cafe. But oh no, the Wi-Fi causes big drama. Laugh, learn natural English conversations, and see how Emily handles the chaos. Let's dive in. At home, morning chat with roommate.
Good morning, Alex. Guess what I'm doing today?
Morning, Em. You look way too happy for 9 a.m. What's up?
I'm finally trying remote work from a cafe. No more boring home desk.
Whoa, brave choice. Which cafe? The fancy one downtown?
Yes, cozy corner, great coffee, nice vibe, and super fast Wi-Fi. I hope.
Haha, I hope is the key word. I've heard stories about that place.
Stories? Like what? Tell me.
Sometimes the Wi-Fi just disappears. Poof, like magic, but bad magic.
Oh, come on. You're just trying to scare me, huh?
Not scaring, just warning. Last time my friend went, he almost cried.
Dramatic much? I'll be fine. I have mobile data as backup.
Smart, but seriously, pick a table near the router if you can.
Router? How do I even know where it is?
Look for the black box with blinking lights, usually behind the counter.
Okay, detective mode activated. Anything else, wise roommate?
Yeah, order their caramel latte. It's life-changing.
Noted. And maybe a croissant too. I'm starving already.
You're gonna love it, or hate it when Wi-Fi dies. Fingers crossed.
Thanks for the pep talk. Wish me luck.
Good luck, Em. Text me if you survive or if you don't.
Very funny. See you tonight with epic stories, I bet.
Can't wait. Go conquer that cafe, girl.
Bye, Alex. Love you.
Love you too. Have fun and stay calm when drama hits.
In the taxi, talking to the driver.
Hi, to Cozy Corner Cafe on Main Street, please.
Sure thing. Hop in. First time going there?
Actually, first time working from there. Remote work day.
Nice. Lots of young people do that now. Good luck.
Thanks. Is the Wi-Fi really as good as everyone says?
Sometimes yes. Sometimes it's like fighting a ghost.
Fighting a ghost? What do you mean?
I drop off customers there every day. Half complain about slow Wi-Fi.
Oh no, my boss needs me online all day today.
Don't panic yet. Get there early, grab the best spot.
Best spot, like near the window?
Nah, near the counter. That's where the signal's strongest usually.
Good tip. You're like my cafe survival guide.
I've seen it all. One guy yelled at his laptop loud.
No way. Did everyone stare?
Oh yeah, whole cafe went quiet. Then he just laughed it off.
That's kind of funny now, but scary if it happens to me.
You'll be okay. Just breathe and maybe order extra coffee.
Caffeine for stress? Smart plan.
Almost there. See the sign? Cute place, right?
Yes, looks so cozy and pretty.
Enjoy. And if Wi-Fi ghosts attack, come back to my taxi.
Deal. Thanks for the ride and the warnings, Mike.
Anytime. Have a great workday, miss.
You too. Bye.
Inside cafe, ordering with barista.
Hi. One medium caramel latte with extra foam, please.
Coming right up. Muffin or pastry with that?
Yes, blueberry muffin. Smelled amazing already.
Best choice. That'll be $8.50.
Here you go. Oh, and what's the Wi-Fi password today?
It's Cozy123. Easy to remember, right?
Perfect. I'm here to work all day, so I need strong connection.
Most days it's great, but afternoons it can get crowded.
Crowded Wi-Fi? Like too many people using it?
Exactly. Signal gets weaker when full house.
Noted. Any tips to stay connected?
Sit near the back wall. Router's hidden there.
Awesome. Thanks. You're a lifesaver, Tom.
No problem. Enjoy your spot. Quiet corner table free.
Yay! That one looks perfect.
Here's your latte. Extra foam, just like you asked.
Wow, looks like a cloud. Thank you.
Haha, enjoy. Shout if you need refill or Wi-Fi help.
Will do. See you soon, probably.
Good luck with work. Don't let the Wi-Fi win.
Haha, I won't. Thanks again.
At the table, first chat with neighbor.
Hi, is this seat okay? Mind if I join this area?
Not at all. Go ahead. It's free. I'm Jack.
Thanks. I'm Emily. First time working here.
Welcome. It's usually peaceful until Wi-Fi acts up.
Everyone keeps warning me about the Wi-Fi. Is it really bad?
Not always. Mornings are golden. Afternoons, drama.
Drama? Like what kind?
Drops suddenly. Pages freeze. People groan loudly.
Sounds like a movie scene.
It is. Last week, someone shouted, "Why me?"
Oh no. I'm hoping today is a good day.
Me too. I have deadlines. Try this. Connect, then restart router in your mind.
Restart in my mind? Funny. Does it work?
Placebo effect maybe, but worth the try.
Okay, placebo activated. Connecting now. Yes.
See? Strong bars. You're safe for now.
Whew. What do you do, Jack?
App developer. You?
Graphic designer. Making logos today.
Cool. We can be work buddies.
Deal. If Wi-Fi dies, we panic together?
Yes, exactly. Solidarity.
Wi-Fi trouble starts. Asking waiter.
Excuse me, is the Wi-Fi okay right now?
Let me check. What's happening?
It's super slow. Pages take forever to load.
Classic afternoon slump. Too many users.
Is there anything I can do? I'm in middle of important work.
I can restart the booster and back. Give it 5 minutes.
Really? You do that? Thank you so much.
No worries. We want happy customers.
You're my hero today, Ben.
Haha, back in a sec. Hang tight.
Okay, fingers crossed. Waits, sips coffee nervously.
Done. Should be better now.
Let me check. Oh, it's fast again.
Yay! Magic reset trick.
Magic indeed. How can I thank you?
Just enjoy. Refill on me if you stay longer.
Seriously? You're the best.
Happy to help. Shout if it dies again.
I will. Thanks a million.
Full drama. Wi-Fi dies completely. Talking to neighbor again.
No, it died. Completely gone. Oh.
Oh man, the Wi-Fi ghost struck. I see it too.
Why now? I was almost finished with my design.
Deep breaths. Let's try airplane mode trick.
Airplane mode? On laptop? How?
Turn Wi-Fi off, wait 10 seconds, turn back on.
Okay, doing it. Come on, come on.
Any luck?
Still nothing. Ugh, this is a disaster.
Okay, plan B. Use phone hotspot.
My data is almost out. Boss will kill me.
Share mine? I have unlimited.
Really? You'd save my life.
Sure. Password is jackiscool123. Connect.
How? Jack is cool? Connecting? Yes.
See? Teamwork makes the dream work.
You're a lifesaver. Thank you, thank you.
No big deal. Now finish that design.
I will. And next coffee is on me.
Deal. We beat the Wi-Fi monster together.
Yes, we did.
Wrapping up. Chat with barista again. Happy ending.
Tom, I finally finished my work.
Wow, you really survived the Wi-Fi chaos today.
Yes. Design sent. Boss loves it.
That's awesome. High five for winning.
High five. Thank you for all your help.
Me? Just one small router restart.
That restart saved my whole morning.
Okay, I'll take the hero credit.
I almost cried when it died. Oh.
I saw. Thought you might run away.
I wanted to, but I got help and stayed.
That's the best part. You didn't give up.
Your lattes kept me going, too.
Secret power, extra foam, and good vibes.
It worked. I feel like a champion now.
You are. Cafe Wi-Fi is tough to beat.
Next time, I'll come early morning only.
Smart plan. Less people, stronger signal.
One last latte to go, please.
Victory latte coming. Extra foam again?
Yes, please. You know me so well.
One caramel latte for the survivor. Here.
What a crazy but fun day. Remote work can be tricky, but friends and laughs make everything better. Thanks for watching. See you next time.